In this video, I'll share a creative and fun DIY idea that's super easy to make and useful in everyday life, so let's get started. Have you ever tried making a slingshot with a syringe? Join me as I show you how to create one step by step and see it in action. It's fun, creative, and super exciting. Take the syringe out of its packaging and carefully use a cutter to remove the top part. After cutting the top part, grab a pin for the next step. Now, take the syringe needle, remove its cover, and cut the syringe as needed. Next, apply glue to the plastic part of the needle and attach the pin securely. Now attach the launcher tip to the syringe, and when you press the back of the syringe, the launcher tip will shoot out forcefully and hit the target. This simple DIY slingshot is not only fun to make but also works surprisingly well. Make sure to watch the entire video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support means a lot. I'm about to share a simple trick with you related to lighters and candles. I hope you'll enjoy trying this one too. If you try lighting a candle inside a glass with a lighter, the flame might burn your hand, which can be harmful. So, don't try it this way. Instead, I'm going to show you a simple and unique trick. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Remove the cover from the syringe needle. Now take a lighter, remove its steel flame guard, then apply glue to the needle and attach it to the lighter where the flame comes out. Now press the lighter's button and use another lighter to ignite the needle attached to it. Now light the candle placed inside the glass with this, so your hand won't burn from the lighter's flame, and the candle will light up easily. This simple trick makes lighting candles safer and hassle-free. Give it a try and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more creative life hacks. Now I'm about to share a cool new trick with you using a table tennis ball. Stay tuned, this one's super fun and creative. Cut the top of the plastic bottle with a saw. Now rub the cut top on sandpaper to smooth and even out the edges. After smoothing the top, take a tennis ball, place it on the ball, and mark a circle with a marker. After marking, cut the tennis ball along the marked circle. Now, put glue on the plastic bottle top and stick it onto the tennis ball. Let it dry completely so both parts hold together strongly. This creative storage box is a perfect way to keep your small items organized and safe, making it useful for both home and office. Now you can store any small items in this. It's a simple yet creative idea that's super handy. Try this easy DIY and keep your little things organized in style. Take some popsicle sticks, which will help us give a new shape to our creativity. Now, take one binder clip to use in our creative project. Apply glue on one stick and firmly attach the binder clip to it. Then, put glue on the second stick and stick it firmly to the binder clip as well. This is another creative idea you can try. Make sure to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to us. It's what keeps us going and creating more for you. Got a unique idea? Share it with us, we'd love to bring it to life together. After joining the sticks, this idea is now ready. Let's move on to testing it. Let's see how well it works and if it hits the mark perfectly. If it works as planned, you now have a fun and creative project to enjoy. Let me know in the comments how this worked for you and if you tried your own twist on it. Have you ever seen a mobile stand made from a plastic pipe? Join us as we show you a fun and creative idea that's both simple and exciting to make. We'll take a plastic pipe and mark it with a marker for precise cutting. Now, we'll cut along the marked area using an iron soldering tool for a smooth and accurate finish. After cutting the pipe, carefully smooth the edges with a cutter or sandpaper to make sure there are no sharp parts that could hurt your hands. Now, take a plastic bottle and cut off the top part carefully. After cutting the bottle, place the pipe on top and mark it with a marker. Now, cut along the marked lines carefully. Now, fit the plastic pipe onto the bottle top and securely fix it using glue. Now, firmly glue the other end of the pipe onto the top of the second bottle. This way, our mobile stand will be completely ready. Let's test it out and see how well it works. Our mobile stand is ready. Now, let's place the mobile in it and test to see if it works perfectly or not. This is an amazing idea, and it's working perfectly too. Make sure to share this cool trick with your friends and family. Take one syringe, remove its needle, and then also take off the plastic cover. Now, gently straighten the needle. Now, take one lighter and remove its steel flame guard cover. Now, apply glue on the lighter and stick a nut and bolt onto it. After attaching the nut and bolt to the lighter, put glue on the needle and stick it onto the lighter as well. Now, when you twist the nut and bolt, it will keep pressing the lighter's button, releasing gas through the needle. When you light the needle with another lighter, it will keep burning continuously. Make sure to try this simple trick, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. As you slowly unscrew the nut and bolt, the button will gradually rise, which will reduce the flame, another creative lighter hack. We will cut the top part of the plastic bottle. Now, apply glue on the cap of one bottle top and stick the second top onto it. Now, light the candle and place it inside. Our candle stand is ready. This simple DIY candle stand is perfect for adding a cozy touch to any room. Take one wooden sheet and spray it. After spraying, apply glue to the sheet. Now place a key on this glue and apply more glue on top of it. After the glue dries, carefully remove the key from the wooden sheet. This creative key mold is now ready for you to try. Don't forget to share this idea with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and make sure to subscribe for more amazing ideas. Your support means everything to us.